So just riding to work today here on the old Cherry Creek Trail, and gonna do a quick tour of the shop today. Just a couple miles into the town of Parker and heading south. This is the 26.5 mile marker here at the Cherry Creek Trail. They usually have those markers every mile. So anyway, at this point we're probably a quarter mile from the shop. There towards the left, it's like a fire training center. You'll kind of wind along and you come to this fork. There's a little sign there that says horse crossing, so you'll take a left here and you come around. There's on the left hand side there's a park and a skate park. The right hand side there's some tennis courts and stuff. So this this is a 20-mile road we're crossing. So right here at the intersection of 20-mile road and Long's Way, you can see the shop there. So zipping into the parking lot, and alright, so here we are coming into the shop here. It's kind of this little room in the front. So turn these lights on, and it's the basic shop, showroom and such. And then back over on this side is our shop area. Let's take a look around. So yeah, just you walk in here, got our little, these those new Trek Domanis, pretty sweet. Got a little display there. So just kind of walking around the shop. That's kind of our little road bike area, a little area with some flyers and whatnot. Our little beer fridge there. It's looking a little depressing. Yeah, so anyway, coming around, we got our back there in the corner is the little fit area. So that's, you know, generally do quite a few fits and things, new bikes and just fits in general. So we're got a little BMX section there. We're kind of expanding, just we're getting, you know, again, there's the skate park right across the street, so you know, getting quite a few kids getting accessories and whatnot, grips and whatever, parts and stuff, carry a few bikes. But yeah, just lots of clothing, accessories, socks, pedals, helmet, shoes, nutrition, whatever. This is our little area, try on shoes, or a little waiting room or a waiting area if you're getting repairs done, watch videos and whatnot. Yeah, it's just kind of the main sales area, and we kind of just circled the mountain bikes there. But anyway, kind of going back behind the scenes into the warehouse, you know, just overstock helmets, racks, whatever, stuff like that. But this is our little bike wash that we put in over the winter. Yeah, this thing's pretty sweet. You know, definitely nice addition to tuning up a bike is getting it super clean. So kind of the other side of the warehouse, get the lights fired up, and we're kind of all these bikes that are hanging are all repairs, and then we've got quite a few on the floor. Kind of ran out of space to store them, so we're pretty well at maximum capacity on repairs right now. Most of the new bikes that are in boxes still are up above, and then kind of the repairs have creeped over into the area where we typically store new bikes that are built. But anyway, there's our little safety clean solvent tank, or it's an aqueous parts cleaner, so it uses real hot water and kind of it looks like a baking soda type mixture, some other additives that keep stuff from rusting, but that thing works really well. It's right there in close proximity to the bike wash, so kind of those go hand in hand. You know, it's just our area where we keep all the work order parts ordered, layaway parts, things like that. And so now we're kind of getting into the shop. So yeah, this is kind of our check-in area. Painted the arm yellow and kind of decorated it up, and got to be careful walking through there. You can walk right into that thing, so we kind of tried to, I don't know, make it a little more visual. That's my work area over there. That's Kyle, the service manager's work area. So that's the two front benches, and then we've got couple more in back here that are Bax Adams there. He's a production mechanic, does most of the suspension stuff. And then we've got another workstation here in front of it where we typically do, we have a couple other guys that come in and build bikes, or some of the sales guys will help build bikes or whatever. Got our little parts room back here, do some suspension work, and then that's where we cut all the spokes. Got 3 stores that I cut spokes for, so it's a pretty busy little area. Overflow of tools and things, and just a place where we store some of the parts. Whatever. We got our little parts cabinet back there also. It's got a lot of the small parts. Got the Wheels manufacturing posters for all the different hangers and bottom brackets, and then just other small parts, chains and whatnot, brake pads, stuff like that. So yeah, that's the basic gist of it. We've got our little menu board up there for some of the more popular labor rates, and then yeah, just all kinds of accessories here and there. That's the little mountain bike section there over in the middle. Carry Yeti, Pivot, and Trek, and lots of Trek FXs, DSs, and basic mountain bikes. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.